So there have been some major changes to our YouTube canal. Since most of you viewers are from English-speaking countries, we have decided to change our language when we speak to English, so that more of you understand what we are saying when we are around on our trips. Secondly, my wife and 3 kids had to go home early, so I put them on a train today, and that means I will be solo sailing for the next couple of weeks. Today I will be leaving Kristiansand, and as you can see on the weather, it's a good time to leave now. Probably going to be some rain here quite soon, and I will be going out that way. So I think everything will go okay. I'm solo sailing and have to leave dock all alone, but it's quite cold winds, so I think that will be just fine. I decided to slow a little bit down because, as you can see, I don't want to argue with that boat. So cool. I thought it would be difficult to try, but I can see that the guy over there is probably 60 years old. Fantastic. This is the first year I've seen those here in Norway. So the waves are picking up, but that doesn't matter. We're going to sail between the islands, so I'll be protected. I have to go out one more time here on the sea. There's 1 more hour to go. E23 probably doing a visit. As part of their safety work, they are visiting different docks, let the kids go on board. Yeah, just to talk a little bit about safety. And the kids love go on board. And the adults too. Rescue boats are amazing boats. Oh, it looks like they're actually on a rescue mission after all. The sailboat Aventura over there has a damage on the side of the boat. Yeah, you don't want to go out in these waves with a hole in the side. So after a busy day, editing, paddleboarding, swimming, the evening is coming and it's time to prepare a dinner. So this is how I do that. Let's just get it on. That was me making pasta bolognese my own way with chicken actually.
Great job!
Now it's time to eat. that's all for now. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from us. And if you hit the alert button as well, you will get notified whenever we release a new video.